What if I told you that the guns of the future are smarter than some of the best trained soldiers? That they can adapt to their users, analyze complex battle scenarios, and even fire without gunpowder? Welcome to Gun and Men, where we unravel the mysteries of cutting-edge technology today. We'll explore the most advanced firearms that are revolutionizing the battlefield, guns so futuristic they feel like they've been plucked straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. From artificial intelligence guiding every shot to 3D printed weapons produced on the front lines, and even guns that use electromagnetic waves instead of traditional bullets. The future of warfare is here. But these innovations aren't just about raw power, they challenge our ideas about ethics, accessibility, and the very nature of war itself. Stay with me, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about weaponry forever. The rise of AI-powered firearms. Let's start with artificial intelligence, a technology that's already changing industries, from healthcare to transportation, and now it's redefining warfare. Picture this. You're in the heat of battle, surrounded by chaos. Your gun isn't just a tool, it's your partner. It scans the environment, identifies threats, and even predicts enemy movements. Enter the BioFire, one of the most advanced prototypes in development. Here's what it can do: target recognition. Using advanced image and thermal sensors, it can distinguish between friend, foe, and civilian in less than a second. Imagine the lives that could be saved by this kind of precision. Dynamic adaptation. The gun learns how you move, shoot, and aim over time. It adjusts to your habits, essentially becoming an extension of your body. Real-time analytics. It provides live feedback, such as bullet trajectory, wind speed, and even ammunition count, displayed on a heads-up interface linked to your helmet or goggles. But there's more. These guns can sync with drones, creating a seamless network of reconnaissance and firepower. For example, you could deploy a drone to scout ahead, and your AI-powered weapon would adjust its targeting based on the drone's findings. However, with great power comes great responsibility and serious ethical dilemmas. If a gun can decide who to shoot, who's accountable for its actions? This is the debate that military strategists and policymakers are grappling with as these weapons inch closer to reality. The 3D printing revolution in weaponry. Now let's move to a technology that's breaking boundaries in manufacturing: 3D printing. In the past, building a firearm required factories, supply chains, and weeks, sometimes months of production. Today, you can create a fully functional weapon in just a few hours. Imagine a battlefield scenario where a soldier's rifle is damaged. Instead of waiting for resupply, they send a digital design to a portable 3D printer and print the replacement part or even an entirely new gun right on the spot. One of the most impressive examples of this is the FGC-9. It's not just a prototype, it's already being tested by militaries around the world. Here's why it's a game-changer: customization. Need a sniper rifle for a long-range mission, or a compact SMG for close combat? The same 3D printed base can be adapted to fit both roles by swapping out modular parts. Cost effectiveness. Traditional firearms can cost thousands of dollars to produce, but 3D printed versions are a fraction of the cost. This could level the playing field, allowing smaller nations or groups to access advanced weaponry. Sustainability. Instead of discarding old weapons, soldiers can melt down damaged parts and recycle the material for new prints, reducing waste and logistical strain. But, as with all technologies, there's a dark side. The accessibility of 3D printing has sparked fears of untraceable ghost guns. How do we balance innovation with regulation? This is a question the world must address as 3D printing becomes more mainstream. Electromagnetic and laser weapons. And now, we venture into the realm of what was once pure science fiction: weapons that don't use traditional bullets. Instead, they rely on electromagnetic force and lasers to deliver devastating power. Railguns, imagine firing a projectile at Mach 7 times the speed of sound. That's the power of a railgun, using electromagnetic fields to propel solid metal slugs. These weapons can strike targets over 200 kilometers away. No gunpowder, no explosions, just sheer, silent speed. Railguns have incredible potential for naval warfare, where long-range precision can determine the outcome of a battle. However, they require massive amounts of electricity, which is currently a challenge for deployment. Laser guns. Now, picture a weapon that doesn't fire bullets but emits a beam of concentrated energy. Laser guns can disable drones, intercept missiles, and even burn through steel. One of their biggest advantages: they're almost silent and leave no trace, making them ideal for covert operations. But here's the kicker: laser weapons are also eco-friendly, unlike traditional firearms. They don't produce toxic residue or waste. The main limitation right now is energy storage. Developing compact power sources capable of supporting such weapons for extended use is the next big hurdle. The human factor technology aside, the most critical element of any weapon is the person using it. Advanced firearms like these can amplify a soldier's abilities, but they also demand a new level of training and discipline. For example, with AI-powered guns, soldiers need to learn how to interpret and act on the data their weapons provide. In the case of 3D printed firearms, troops might need technical skills to repair or customize their gear in the field. And with laser and electromagnetic weapons, understanding energy management becomes just as important as aiming and firing. This raises a key question: are we training our forces to keep pace with the rapid evolution of technology? The weapons of tomorrow aren't just about firepower, they're about integration, adaptability, and strategy. The future is now, so what does the future of weapon technology hold? It's a mix of excitement, innovation, and caution. From AI-driven guns that think like soldiers, to 3D printed firearms reshaping logistics, and railguns and lasers revolutionizing firepower, each innovation has the potential to redefine warfare as we know it. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace these advancements, we must also confront their challenges, ethical dilemmas, security risks, and the ever-present fear of misuse. What do you think about these technologies? Which one excites or concerns you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, the future isn't just something we wait for, it's something we build. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.